Notion is more than just a useful note-taking app. It's a powerful tool for managing and organizing your business. In this video, I am introducing my latest CRM Notion template, CRM Elite. I designed this template with a specific goal in mind: to create an all-in-one CRM template comparable to online CRM software. To accomplish this, I drew from my past experience working in agencies and brands and conducted extensive research on various CRM SaaS. Now let's explore all the features of this template. What's included? CRM Elite includes all the essential functions like deals, contacts, companies, payments, and documents section. Additionally, it takes a step further with features such as tasks, CRM activities, goals and milestones, and forecasting reports. These features aren't standalone. They all seamlessly related with each other, providing a comprehensive and effective CRM solution. The structure. The CRM Elite is structured as a multi-page Notion template. It includes a dashboard and separate pages for all functions I mentioned previously. A navigation bar is found on most pages of this template. It helps you easily move to sections on the current page and links to other pages. The dashboard. I've designed the dashboard to be short rather than long to keep it clean, minimal, and user-friendly. It provides links to pages with different functions and presents recent data from all sections. You have the ability to visualize and manage your deals in a robust sales pipeline. You can track the status of each lead, which is essential for maintaining consistency in customer communication, especially when you work with a team. With a clear understanding of each lead status, your team can engage each key account effectively and appropriately. Moving on to task management. Our tasks feature helps you manage your day-to-day activities efficiently, ensuring you stay on top of your game. Next, let's talk about our comprehensive activity log. Track all past and upcoming activities with your clients. It's a great tool for gaining a better understanding of each team member's connection with the clients, building customer relationships, and anticipating customer needs. Another key feature is our forecast board. It allows you to set targeted revenue and track your performance. We also offer a seamless payment management feature. It helps you manage anticipated, overdue, and due-today payments from clients with ease. This feature keeps you in control of your cash flow. In addition to these features, our CRM includes a goals and milestones feature. It allows you to set objectives that guide your work. It's a great tool to stay motivated and track your progress toward achieving your business goals. Finally, we have our contacts and companies feature. That concludes our tour of the CRM Elite Notion template. You can find the template link for this awesome CRM template in the description down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!